Hey, it's Kristen Haynes, and welcome to 3707 Old Julian Road. Come take a look at this incredible property with me. This is a one-of-a-kind opportunity to own this lovely Cape Cod on an impressive home site. 16 sprawling acres, just 20 minutes from downtown Greensboro, and it's complete with a 1-acre pond stocked with bass, catfish, and brim. The lot offers plenty of open space complemented by beautiful trees. There's also a barn and 2 fenced pastures for all your equestrian needs. Here you can get away from all the hustle and bustle and enjoy spending leisure time fishing, paddleboarding, or horseback riding right at your home. Perfect for gathering with family and friends or enjoying solitude. Enjoy the peaceful surroundings from the porch or really anywhere on the entire property. This rustic yet refined home features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and was built in 2015. The home is filled with tons of natural light with tall ceilings, vaulted ceiling in the den, and the kitchen is open with the most beautiful finishes. Three of the 4 bedrooms are on the main level, including the primary suite. The 4th bedroom and bathroom can be found upstairs along with a bonus room with a separate entrance and private staircase to provide the perfect kid hangout or guest suite. It offers an attached 2-car garage along with a detached 2-car garage with a bay that is a pull-through, which is great for storing boats.